In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Deel account as an individual contractor. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Deel website. On the homepage, click Login. Then choose Sign Up. When you are asked what you are here to do, select the option to work as a contractor. This creates a personal account designed for independent work. Not for a company. You can register using your email address or continue with your Google account for a quicker sign-up. If you go with email, enter your email and hit Continue. Create a strong password, then add your first and last name. Use the exact name you use on official documents so everything matches later on. Deel will send a verification link to the email you provided. Open your inbox, find the message and click the link to confirm your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Once you verify, a window will open asking what type of account you are creating. Choose I am an individual, not entity. Selecting individual ensures your personal information appears correctly on tax forms and invoices. Next, enter your current residential address and your tax residency. Your address should match the one your bank has on file to help prevent payout issues. For tax residency, choose the country where you are legally considered a tax resident, which is typically where you live most of the year and file taxes. Before moving on, enable two-factor authentication. You can use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. This adds a one-time code to your login, which is one of the simplest ways to protect your earnings and personal data. Finally, complete identity verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit a government-issued ID, such as a passport. Make sure the details are clear and readable, and that your name matches what you entered earlier. This step is required to enable future withdrawals and helps keep the platform compliant and secure. That's it. Thanks for watching.